welcome back to Channel Ron. I've been asked about 2 or 3 times online how the carburetor that I put on this truck almost 4.5 years ago, how it's been working. Well, here it is. Got it off from National Carburetor. It's a little bit dirtier than it was when I put it on 4.5 years ago, but it's working fantastic. So that's the number one question I get, is how happy I am with the carburetor from National Carburetor. And as you can hear, it still works great. No problem at all. Now I do change the filter once a year. This is my yard truck. I use it for plowing snow. You see me also haul the hitch and plow with it as well. So it's still going well. No problems whatsoever. I really don't know what to answer for the questions. That's the number one question. Am I happy with it? Absolutely, no problems. So I would strongly suggest don't mess around with an old carburetor. Just go ahead and buy one from National Carburetor and you'll be all set. No, they're not paying me anything to talk about them. They should, but they're not. Well, I hope this helps for some of the questions I've had, and stay tuned for the next one.